that the man took a golden earring of half a shekel weight and two
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Warren County, Northeastern Franklin County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles south of Warrenton, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Warrenton around 7:25 p.m. Norlina around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Afton, Macon, Wise, Centerville, and Lake Gaston. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Franklin, and Warren.
In spite of